So Snowflake recently came out with Snowflake Intelligence on GA, and that's amazing. I've been using this feature for the past couple months in private preview, and I can assure you that this video is going to be worth your time. So inside of Snowflake, you can now go ahead and create an analyst called a Cortex analyst, which is basically using a semantic view of your tables and databases, the relationships within, the field names, the meanings of those, and synonyms, and then feeding it to an AI model for it to write SQL queries on the fly. How cool is that? So for example, if I'm asking it a question like, tell me the top 10 best-selling products from my database, what it's going to do is it's going to use my semantic view that I've created for it, and it's going to start writing SQL and execute it on the fly to give you the analysis of the question that you just asked it. Now we have the results of the query that I asked it with the top 10 best-selling products listed in order and visualized for me. How cool is that? And it doesn't end there. You can also define a Cortex search service which houses the vector embeddings of your knowledge catalog and knowledge databases, and you can define custom tools and wrap all of these inside an agent that you then serve to Snowflake Intelligence, and it can do all of these tasks for you. For example, I just asked it to send this conversation to me, and I'm sure I've already received it on my email with the summary of my last conversation that I was having with it. So in a nutshell, you now have an AI chatbot inside of Snowflake that you can configure to have your semantic views based off of tables and databases that live in Snowflake with AI models that are housed inside of Snowflake. And you never have to go outside the Snowflake ecosystem to generate value for your executives that can now have ad hoc NLP queries with an AI chatbot with extreme accuracy for the SQL queries that get generated by it and provide data analysis to them. If you're interested in learning how to do this inside of Snowflake, I'm going to be creating detailed tutorials on how to create the Cortex Analyst, the Cortex Search Service, some custom tools, and how to set this up with the RBAC, the role-based access control, and the agents inside of Snowflake Intelligence. So follow me for more.